Hi guys, welcome to a brand new episode of PSLE Maths Secrets Revealed. I hope you managed to get the answer for the previous episode, the super epic question, the ultimate challenging one that requires you to really be extremely expert at using your eyes. As in, I will call it a trick eye question. So if you haven't managed to do it, I encourage you to go to my episode 2 of this brand new series. Pause the video and give yourself that chance to try that super difficult question. Okay, so without further ado, I'd like to do a quick deep dive into today's question, which is really so much simpler. So David withdrew 33% of his savings and he spent all of it on a mobile phone. And this mobile phone actually cost $594. After receiving his salary, he deposited 25% of his salary into the bank, and as a result, eventually he has $3,480. Question: what was David's salary? So let me just quickly solve it together with you. So we can actually write this down that 33% of savings. 33% of savings works out to 594. So we definitely need to find what is 1% of his savings. So 1% of savings, that will be 594 divided by 33. So if I were to key this into the calculator, okay, let me just write it nicely for you. 594 divided by 33, and the answer is 18. And my next step is that I got to ask myself, after withdrawing 33% of the savings from the bank, how many percent of savings will be left? So I'll use 100%, subtract away 33%, and that leaves us with 67%. So if 1% of the savings is 18, 67% of savings, that has got to be 18 times 67. Okay, so 18 times 67, that will give us 1,206. 1,206. So we know for a fact that the $3,480 that's in the bank, it has to involve the 1,206. As in, the 1,206 must be part of the 3,480. So we got to ask ourselves, what is 25% of his salary that has been deposited into the bank? So 25% of salary, that has got to do with 3,480, subtract away 1,206. So 3,480 subtract away 1,206, that will give us 2,274. And last but not least, I want to find David's salary. So there's no need for me to go down to 1%. I can just straight away jump to 100% of salary. So what is 100% of David's salary? So from 25% to 100% is actually, I have to multiply by 4. So this will mean that to find David's salary, all I need to do is to take 2,274 multiplied by 4. And what would the answer? Okay, let's find out together. It will be 9,096. Wow, that's a lot of money. That's a very wonderful salary for David. So my answer, not to forget the dollar sign, my standard unit, it will be $9,096. Okay, let me just write clearly for everyone. So as promised, after the heavyweight question from episode 2, we are going with something much simpler. And thank you everyone for staying all the way to the end, for arriving at the answer with me. And guys, if you enjoyed today's video, if you got anything out of it whatsoever, please hit the thumbs up, hit the like button. Also comment below. Let us know where you guys are tuning in from. That's always nice to know. And finally, if you are new to this channel, and if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and notifications button. There's a little bell sign, by the way. Because this year we are dedicated to making weekly videos to hold you accountable and to make this your best year in mathematics. But for now, this is Teacher Ray signing out. See you. Bye bye.